Can you believe this soft, colorful, and delicious fruitcake is completely eggless and can be made without an oven? And that beautiful custard flavor makes every bite extra special. First, take 1/4 cup of fresh curd in a mixing bowl. Add 1/2 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of oil. Now mix everything really well until the sugar starts to dissolve and the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. Make sure there are no big lumps of curd left. Mixing these ingredients well at this stage helps give our eggless cake a lovely, soft, and moist texture. Now place a strainer over the bowl and add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Next, add 3 tablespoons of custard powder. Add 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Sift all the dry ingredients together so we get rid of any lumps and everything is evenly combined. Now gently start mixing. Don't overmix the batter. Just mix until the wet and dry ingredients begin to come together. Next, we'll add 1/4 cup of milk, but don't add it all at once. Add the milk gradually while mixing until you get a smooth, thick, and flowing cake batter. Now comes my favorite part, all those colorful fruits and nuts. Add 1/4 cup of dry fruits, 1/4 cup of Tutti Frutti, 1 tablespoon of chopped nuts, and 1 tablespoon of black raisins. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla for a lovely aroma. Gently fold everything into the batter so the fruits and nuts are nicely distributed throughout the cake. Now take a greased 6-inch cake pan and pour in all of our prepared batter. Spread the batter evenly, then gently tap the pan a few times. This will help release any large air bubbles trapped inside. For an extra colorful and beautiful finish, sprinkle a few dry fruits, nuts, or Tutti Frutti over the top. And just look at that! Our cake is already looking so pretty, even before cooking. To make this cake without an oven, I have already preheated a large pan. Carefully place the cake mold inside the preheated pan, cover it, and cook on medium flame for around 30 to 40 minutes. Cooking time can vary slightly, so check the cake towards the end. Insert a toothpick or skewer into the center, and if it comes out clean, your cake is ready. And if you prefer using an oven, simply bake the cake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for approximately 30 to 40 minutes. And here is our beautiful custard fruit cake. Once it's baked, allow it to cool slightly before removing it from the mold. Don't try to unmold it while it's piping hot because the cake will be very soft and delicate. Once cooled, slice it up and look at that gorgeous inside. Soft, fluffy, colorful, and filled with delicious fruits and nuts. The custard powder gives this cake such a lovely flavor, and you'd never guess it was made without eggs. Serve it with a cup of tea or coffee and enjoy. If you enjoyed this easy eggless cake recipe, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe.